Welcome. This is a 15-minute morning yoga routine to help stretch and bring movement within the entire body. Let's begin on our backs. Elbows in line with the shoulders. We'll bend the knees and begin rocking the knees side to side. Coming back to center, rest the right ankle over the left thigh, and we'll rest here, or hug the legs towards the chest, interlacing the fingers behind that left leg for supine pigeon pose. Option here to rock side to side, acknowledging the breath, drawing the breath into the belly, maybe even feeling the lower back connecting to the mat with each inhale, and doing our best here to soften the shoulders with each exhale. So no tension here within the shoulders and the upper back. And we'll release. Take a moment, and when you're ready, we'll switch legs. Left ankle over the right thigh. Rest here or hug the legs towards the chest. Option again to rock gently side to side. Acknowledging the breath, drawing the breath into the belly, really expanding the belly, expanding the side body. Allowing the lower back to connect with the mat. And with each exhale, again, just softening the shoulders here. No tension in the back of the neck or the upper back. Release, hug the knees towards the chest, and allow the knees to fall open here. So just display the knees open, using the hands as support for your legs. Option to find some movement so you can rock side to side. Release, hugging the knees back towards the chest, big squeeze. And when you're ready, we'll play around here, massaging the spine, the muscles of the back, rocking forward and back, till we come up to seated. Take your time. Begin circulating the neck, working out all the clicks and ticks. Opposite direction. Go ahead and interlace your fingers and cup the back of your head. So just supporting your head with your palms. Sitting nice and tall here, softening the shoulders. Begin twisting gently side to side. No forcing here, so twisting as far as you comfortably can, allowing the core to do its job. We'll release the hands. Taking a side stretch to the left, right hand reaches up and over on an exhale. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch to the right. And we'll continue doing this, syncing breath with movement. Feel free to go at your own pace here. Back to center, finding a swaying motion side to side just to work into the spine a little. We'll take the right heel towards the left hip, left foot to the inside or outside of the right knee. Sitting tall here, preparing for a twist. On an exhale, twisting towards the left, right hand to the left knee, left hand behind you on the mat. Or take it deeper by inhaling the right hand up, overhead. Full exhale, placing the right elbow to the outside of that left knee. Sitting tall here, grounding through the sit bones. Slowing your inhales and exhales, so really creating that space within the chest and the upper back. Release. Switching sides, left heel to the right hip. Sitting tall. On the exhale, taking your variation of the twist. Again, grounding through the sit bones. Don't let the sit bone lift. Really ground both into the mat. Lifting the sternum forward and up. Very gentle, slight movement. Soften the shoulders and begin to slow your inhales. Slow your exhales. Release. Coming back to center. Then when you're ready, we'll begin to walk the hands forward, stopping wherever you feel the stretch. No need to go any further. Drawing the breath into the belly, big belly breath here. Feeling your lower back expand with each inhale. Release. And we'll just switch legs here. So crossing the opposite leg on top and bottom. Begin to take your fold. Again, stopping wherever you feel the stretch. Allowing the waistband of your pants to get a little tighter here with each breath. And we'll release. Resting the hands on your knees, palms facing up. Allow the shoulders to rest here. Allow the arms to be really heavy. Inhaling the hands coming up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.